just discovered something really creepy. So we heard, well, me and my friend heard a creepy noise in my basement, and none of these lights were off. So like, we were trying to explore, and then I grabbed this to vlog with you guys and say hi to my friend.
Hello, my name is Aina, and I'm going to be in this video.
We're almost in every single video, I should say.
You look kind of
So,
crazy.
We're going to explore something
Yeah.
that me and him have never done. I'm sorry, yes. He was just being a little scaredy cat. He said, like, what, dude, let's just go upstairs. But, no, this is for you guys. Let's go, bro. I'm a little scaredy cat.
Yeah, let's go.
Dude, you have a weapon. Look at that big old thing.
I know, I'm going to saw your head through.
Let's go.
Wait, what? Guys, did you just hear that?
Guys, comment if you guys see anything or hear anything, alright, guys?
Yeah. Whoa. Did you hear that
Guys.
crack?
There's cracks down. There's cracks somewhere. Let's explore the bathroom, guys.
Yeah.
And guys, the bathroom is the most scariest part about basements.
Yeah.
I just realized it's pitch black. Never mind. Oh yeah.
Dude, let's go in there, scaredy cat.
No.
Yeah.
Dude,
It's complete darkness.
Well, guys, like,
I'm going in.
alright. Guys, get ready. Guys, this is the bathroom. It's dark.
There's a go in here.
Let's go, guys. Here's my niece. Here's my sister. Guys, that was so creepy. Guys, we just heard weird noises. Here, let's explore more.
Yeah.
Guys, there's a door right here that I've never noticed.
Wait, me either, actually.
And I've lived here.
Yeah.
Here, guys, if you see anything,
Comment down below.
yeah. Wait. See anything, bro? Here, yeah. Guys, what was that? Why is that there?
I saw something.
You did?
I actually did. I saw some
What is that?
saw like this big hand. It would try to like.
What the?
And guys, I'm not even joking. I'm not gonna joke on this.
Guys, my hand was in the way. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. All right, should we check upstairs?
Yeah. Let's go.
Let's go.
Alright, guys. Another bathroom. Guys, what is that shining light? Oh, that's my washing machine. It's so dark in here, guys.
Just if you hear like this weird noise, comment down below.
Yeah. I just said that. Let's light up here. Guys, I have something crazy to show you guys. So, guys, it's so light over here, but over here, it's so dark.
Whoa, scared.
Like, look at those clouds. But anyways, back to the video.
Yeah. And guys, we never checked the closet.
No!
Let's go and check
Go.
the closet.
No, you can't break
go.
the closet.
Wait, there's a closet downstairs. But no, someone's in there. Alright, guys,
We're gonna open the closet.
there's something scary in there, I bet you.
Something just bit me. I'm not.
Dude. What was that? Ow, what the heck? Guys, something just scratched me. What the heck? Dude, something's in my house, guys. Or girls.
Something can't be in
Guys,
the house.
let's go.
Let's go upstairs.
This. This is where I first made my first video, guys.
Yeah.
Guys, that was never open.
That wasn't.
My closet was never open. Here, if you guys see anything, remember, comment.
Something has to be the
Let's go.
Ow! That hurt.
Yeah, nice.
Those stickers hurt. When I pulled them
Here's
off.
another bathroom. Go.
What is that?
That's my mom.
What can you do?
Let's go, guys. We have one more thing that we haven't checked.
Yeah.
Come on.
Can I go with?
In there.
We're gonna go into the garage.
Gerard. Jeez. We're going to need to turn on the light. Alright. I'm sorry if you guys can't see.
No, guys, let's do it in the dark.
But then they can't see.
Yeah.
Guys,
Just
guys, we can just edit. Wait, let's have a flashlight, guys.
Ow!
Arm, get out of the way.
I hit my head. There's a flashlight.
Oh, this is mine. Where
Yeah.
did you find that?
You left it.
Alright, guys.
Let's
You
go
ready?
in.
Can you guys see the
Want me to
flashlight?
close the door?
No. Just
Comment down below.
he's
if you,
the dude that protects.
comment
I'm
down
vlogging.
below. Guys, comment down below if you ever had a strange feeling or heard something in your house before.
Dude, guys, if you live in Colorado, just call us. And
Yeah.
we'll like check your house. What the heck was that?
That was the baby.
No, dude, it wasn't.
What?
Guys, do you know Baby Blue?
Yeah. Guys, if you comment down below if you guys heard that.
That hurt. I heard it.
What's in here, guys? Oh shoot, that's a bunch of diapers. Alright,
Diapers.
guys.
Something.
And there oh, something weird.
Guys,
Guys.
we just hear like cracks on like
Guys,
when
we
you
just heard that.
when you go upstairs.
And dude, guys, we don't have stairs like that.
Yeah.
Oh guys, here's my little baby niece. Here's my little baby niece. Yeah, guys, she's so cute.
So,
But like,
I heard something.
guys, it's so windy. This has got to be something.
In this house.
Guys.
Else they're gonna eat us.
What?
Something
Oh, here's my little dog. Guys, something is in here. We heard strange noises. It was either her or Baby Blue, and then we heard cracks,
On the stairs.
which was not her because she does not know how to walk.
Yeah.
Little baby. She's actually a pen.
She's like gonna turn on taller than me.
Guys, I'm gonna load a Nerf gun real quick. Come here, bro.
Or do you want mine?
No, yeah.
Yes.
No, I'm just gonna have that.
Okay.
Vlog for me.
This is
Vlog.
Nerf gun also.
I'm going to have
But-
this gun.
Vlog.
This is
Vlog like this. Wait,
What is
how do I vlog? Like this. And then like... Guys, he's
Okay, sorry guys.
He was just trying to figure out how to do it, guys.
Yeah. I've never been on YouTube, so
I want one.
Give me my camera back,
Hi,
guys.
James, I want a gun.
Listen, guys, I'm just... No, Autumn. It's too dangerous. Too dangerous. Let's go.
let's go.
Guys, we have one more thing that we have to show you. Come on, Zan.
Let's go.
You stay here. Alright? Something. Guys, I have a Nerf blaster, which I don't know what the heck. Dude, where's your Nerf blaster? Get it! Yes. Yeah, we're going back up here. But there's something that... See, guys? Look at that.
There's a hatch.
Soon, Sunday, we can explore that together, guys.
Serious?
Guys,
What?
we will make another video today.
Yeah.
So, come on, tell you what your name is and bye.
My name is Aiden, and goodbye.
My name's James and
Hope you guys have a nice day. Bye.